So iron rod of 0.5 centimeter square, area of cross section, is subjected to the magnetizing field of 1200 ampere per meter if the susceptibility of iron is 599. Calculate. So permeability, magnetic flux density, magnetic flux. Okay, so area is 0.5 centimeter square, so 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the minus 2 meter. Okay, so that's why 0.5 10 to the minus per meter square. So H is equal to 1200 ampere meter. Chi m is equal to pi double. Chi means magnetic susceptibility. So we know that mu naught equal to 4.10 to the minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. Okay, so relative permeability is equal to 1 plus magnetic susceptibility chi m. So mu r is equal to 1 plus this. So it is nothing but 600 Tesla meter per ampere. So mu r is equal to mu by mu naught. Okay, so mu is equal to mu naught mu r is equal to 4 by 10 to the minus 7, and mu r is value is how much? 600. So we get 4 into this. So we get mu r is 7.54 in 10 to the minus 4 ampere meter. Tesla meter per ampere. Okay, so Tesla meter per ampere. So magnetic flux density is equal to permeability into magnetizing field. So it's equal to, this one is the permeability is equal to 7.54 into this, and so 1200 is a magnetizing field. So we get 0.905 Tesla. Find magnetic flux. So magnetic flux is equal to magnetic flux density into area. So is equal to magnetic flux is nothing but this, and area is also is equal to this area. So we get 4.525 10 to the minus 10 to the power 5 Weber. Okay, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.